This is a quick demonstration video of GadgeT Control Panel app, where I will be demonstrate how the app actually works and what are the functionalities of this app. So let's get started. This is the GadgeT app icon in Android, as you can see. So let's get into it. User will gonna have to log in first in order to uh, operate their app. The previous screen that we saw was the splash screen of our app, and this is the login screen of our app where user have to input their email and their password. If the user is completely new and don't have any kind of account, then they will gonna have to create a new account by going or pressing this button, create new account, and the registration screen will appear where the user will have to enter their name, their email and their password, and the password for logging into this app. After completing all this necessary information, giving all the necessary information, they just have to press the sign up button and registration process will be done. After completing the registration process, they just have to press the login button and they have to enter their email that they have just created with and their password. And then if they want to remember their email after being logged out, they just have to check this remember me box in order to save their email. Okay, admin 123, this is the password. Okay, I'm going to login successful. This is the home screen of our app where we can see that there are several products in the collection. These are all dummy products, by the way. These are not actually uh, available right now in their collection gadget employer. I just created this product for demonstration purpose only. Okay. This is the greeting message we can see in the home screen with their username, and by the side of the username we can see that there is a text called online. This is a network status where user will know that if they are actually online or offline. If I press this button, I will know that if I am online or offline. I can see that I'm online. Okay, if I turn off the network connection and then press that button, I will see that I'm offline. I have to check my internet connection. Okay, turning back on. Okay, now I can see that I'm online and the text will change. And this is a logout button where user can log out from the app. If I press this button, I will see that I am being logged out and I have logged out successfully. Okay, now I'm logging again. Okay, this is the search bar where user can search by product name or search by product price. uh, okay, let me demonstrate. If I want to search the M32 product, just only M32 product, then I have to type the product name M32 and the list will update by whenever I type in the search bar, and I will see the product. Here is the product. If I want to search by product price, then the matching prices product will appear in the list. Right now there is only uh, there are not common amount prices, but if I type the price amount, suppose if I want to search by price 22,000, I just have to type 22,000 and all the products that matches that price will appear in the list. As you can see, Samsung A22 matches that price and search bar works like this. Okay, after that, in each every product we can see that there are two buttons. This button deletes the product from the collection and this button sells from stock. What it actually does is that, as we can see, Samsung A22 has 142 in their stock. If they want to update their stock amount, suppose they have sold two items then they just have to click this button. Then they may input the value directly, or they may press this button too, and they they have to press this button to sell those two items, and the stock amount will update, and we will see that it will turn to 140. Okay, let me refresh this page by holding down, and we can see that it has been updated. Now in stock we can see that this product is available 140 in stock. Okay, so these are the two button functionalities. So these are this is how they work. Okay. Okay, now in each every product we can see that there are some text, one line text. What are these are the product description. If the user want to see the full description, then they have to click on the product so that they may see the full description of the product. Now I want to see this product's description, then I have to click on the product and I will be able to see the full description of the product. As we can see that these are all the product. I mean this is the product description. Okay, and with the product image, full uh, zoomable product image where user will be able to zoom the product image. Okay, this screen is called the product description screen, where user will see the full description. In this screen we can see uh, two new buttons, which one is edit button and another one is add to stock button. Edit button is actually editing the product details. Suppose user want to rename the product name, user want to change the description of the product name, then they have to press this button, or user want to change the product image, then they have to press this button. So if I press this button, I will see a pop-up window where the editable options will segments will be shown. If the user want to change the image, then they have to press this button, and um, the gallery app will open, and they will be able to choose the image that they want to select. If they don't change the image, then the image will stay the same. And this is the product name segment, description, and the price. And after a user, suppose a user edited this product name Samsung Galaxy F22 to just Samsung F22, and added some new description and edited the price slightly, they just have to press this edit button and the product details will gonna updated. So if I press this button, um, alert pop-up will appear and ask me that if I want to really execute this, then I have to just press yes, and we will see the message that it has been updated successfully. Now I will have to go back to the home page, refresh, and I will see that it has been updated successfully. If I go back to the description screen, I will see that there is the K, and price also has been updated. If the user wants to if the user suppose they have physically added some new phones to their collection, and they also want to update in their app also, then they just have to go to the product description screen, and then they have to select press the add to stock button, and they have to give the value that they have just added into their stock. Suppose they have added three new items, so two new items in stock, then they have to press two, enter the value 2, or they may press these buttons. What happens if I press minus after the if the value is even 0? Then we will see this message, item cannot be less than 0. Okay, whatever. So suppose they have added two new items, then I type the value 2 or press this button and press the upload button, and we will see that the message 2 item added, please refresh. We have to go back to the home screen, and we will see that two new product has been added in stock. Okay, this was all about the home screen and the product description screen. Now let's see how user will be able to add a new product into the collection. They just have to press this button, the expandable buttons, where we will see two buttons. One is a new add new product button and another one is product status button. I will describe this at the last moment. Okay, so we want to add a new product. We have to press this button and this screen will appear where we have to give all this information for the new product. We have to select the image for the product name, product description, quantity in stock, and the price. So suppose I want to upload this product. Okay, where user also will be able to zoom in to the picture to see if the picture is suitable for the product collection or not. Okay, all fine. Now I'm giving the product name, revenue, product description, the description. Okay, I'm not giving the product description right now. This is just demonstration purpose only. And suppose we have quantity right now, then what is the price given anywhere? Price, okay, no price given. So maybe the price 400, 4500, okay, whatever. Okay, we have given all the information of the new product. Now what happens if I leave any of these segments blank? We will see a error message. Suppose if I have not gave the product name, if I press the upload button, an error message will appear and it will tell me to add the product name, and it will tell me that it cannot be empty. So I have to give the product name. Product same goes for the description, quantity, and price. Also for the image, user cannot upload a new product until the user gives the image of the product. Okay, now we have given all the record information for the new product. Now I will upload the product by pressing this button and I will press the yes button, and we will see the loading a progress bar. We have to wait for a while and we will see that it has been uploaded successfully. Now let me go back to the home screen, and here is our new product that we have just added. If I go to the product description screen, this is how it looks like. Okay, if I want to edit it, then suppose I um, sound currently only, then it will update it will update. Go back to the home screen and it is okay. Now let's see the product status screen. This screen will only show all sorry, not only, let me go to the screen first. This is the product status screen. In this screen user will be able to observe all of their what should I say, all of their works that they have done with their products so far. Suppose they if they have edited the product, then they will see that yes, they have edited this product, and who edited the product and what time they and in what time they edited that product. All of the information will be given, and these are the things that I have done so far from here. One, what else? Okay. These are the things that I have done so far. Suppose user wants to know that how many new product they have added, then they must type in the search bar new, then user will see that they have added these new products so far. um, as you can see that There are some products that are not being present in that collection because those are being deleted, and but still they are in the product status list because they wanted to preserve all the information they have done with the product so far. So that's why I created this product stream like that. So if the user wants to check that what are the things that they have edited so far, then they have to type edit, and they will see all the product edited options what they have edited product name to and description, name to it Samsung Galaxy F22, and everything. They will see everything in this product status screen. And if the user wants to check any kind of update or status in any particular date, then they have to type that date in this format: 22 12 15, year month date. Suppose I want to check uh, yesterday's information or status, then I have to type that date 14, and I will see all the informations. Okay, there is nothing under the okay. Yeah, so this is the product status screen where user will be able to observe their their how the where user will be able to see what they have done so far with their collection. Okay, this was all about this app. Signing off, signing out, and this was all about the app. Thanks for watching.